Hope lies in dreams, imagination, and the courage of those who are able to make dreams into a reality. This quote exemplifies our Honorable Health Minister, Shri Vishwajit Rane.
This is the first hospital in the country that is going to have this IVF treatment free of charge, where no patient is going to be charged. Everything has come through CSR, and this initiative under Dr. Pramod Sawant, which we are taking and dedicating to the people of the state of Goa at the hands of the Honorable Chief Minister.
As regards this center, you will be surprised to know that this concept has been discussed and put into action within less than 2 months. And here I would like to share with you that the whole project has been visioned, commissioned and supported by none other than our dynamic health minister, Shri Vishwajit Rane. So we must give him a big round of applause. A sterile or a couple which cannot convince, the government is giving them the right to have a child. And this right, even though if it is not constitutional, this right exists in the state of Goa.
आजच्या ह्या खासा सुवाळ्याक म्हाका खूब खोस भोगता. आमचे अंडर द लिडरशीप ऑफ हेल्थ मिनिस्टर विश्वजीत राणे आज आमी फॅसिलिटीज गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेजीन लॉन्च करता.
So this is our Health Minister Vishwajit Rane. He's like a blastocyst. He's a blast, isn't he? Yes or no? He has conceptualized this and he has just pushed through the project with such agility. He has made sure that there is finances, he is organized, he's got the team, the government in place, the dean and his office, the superintendents, the SSBs and all of you to make sure that this happens.
एक गरीब आदमी के लिए बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट होता है कि इस चीज़ को प्रैक्टिस भी करे और सोचे भी. तो ये गोवा सरकार का एक पाथ फाइंडर है, एक ऐसी दृष्टि है जो मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी और स्वास्थ्य मंत्री जी के नेतृत्व पूरा भारत इसे फॉलो करेगा. मुझे पूरा विश्वास है इस पैटर्न पर.
सगळ्यान पयलीं हांव विश्वजीत राणेंचे धन्यवाद करता की एखाद्या मिनिस्ट्रीचो एखादो टीम लिडर जर सारको आसत, जाका जर बरें व्हिजन आसत, फुडलीं 50 वर्सांचें व्हिजन जर दवरून काम करत, जाल्यार तो कशा पद्दतीन तें परिवर्तन करपाक शकतात हें विश्वजीत राणे हांच्यांनी आमकां दाखोवन दिलें.
Today is the day dedicated only for our women, our families that who have this hope where they want to have a child. And I'll tell you and share with you, our job is not to create a son or a daughter. Our job is to create that baby that will bring joy to that house of every family. And I'm confident Dr. Kedar Fatte and Dr. Muriel will do it. That definition has to be changed. We need to move forward and we will move forward. Already I would like to share with you about more than 50 to 100 people who have already registered to take treatment in this new center. That's a great achievement. That is because of the name of Dr. Kedar Fatte and Dr. Muriel and the whole team. And this is the credibility of this center which they are on the verge of establishing. So that this hope of having a family, that hope of removing away depression and that child that we want in our house that will bring a smile on our faces will become a reality not only in the state of Goa but all across the country. Thank you so much.